Picture a wind that won't stay still, a voice that keeps changing its name, rattling every cage from Hibbing to the Hudson. That's the uncontainable pulse of Bob Dylan. In the next few minutes, I'll unspool 3 electric shocks that prove he wasn't a singer. He was a live wire who short-circuited the entire circuit of American song. Fasten your mind. These currents might fry your certainties. Reason 1, Dylan hijacked the jukebox and turned it into a manifesto machine. 1965. He straps on a Stratocaster at Newport, the folk priests gasp, and, like a rolling stone, explodes. 6 minutes of organ thunder, snare gun cracks, and a chorus that never lands. He didn't blend genres, he torched the borders, smuggled beat poetry into top 40 radio, and made every misfit feel seen in one snarling refrain. From coffeehouse purists to stadium hordes, he proved a single, "How Does It Feel?" could indict a generation. But what kept him dodging his own shadow? Brace yourself, the reinvention engine was already spinning. Reason 2, Dylan weaponized mystery, turning personal wreckage into public scripture. Car crash, divorce, born-again fever, he never explained, only transformed. Blood on the Tracks bleeds heartbreak in riddles. Slow Train Coming preaches salvation in code. Each album a new mask. Hobo, prophet, crooner, hermit. He didn't confess, he encrypted, forcing listeners to decode their own lives inside his labyrinth. From Greenwich Village to the Vatican, yes, really, he built a cathedral of questions without answers. How close did the abyss come to silencing the oracle? Reason 3. Dylan's echo ricochets across centuries, mutating into new species. He birthed 700-plus songs, won Nobel Gold, and still drops surprise albums in his 80s. Springsteen borrows the howl, Hendrix samples the cadence, Taylor Swift studies the twist. His never-ending tour, 36 years and counting, is less concert, more moving prophecy. From blowin' in the wind civil rights rallies to AI playlists in 2025, one Tambourine Jangle still rewrites the algorithm of rebellion. Whenever a new voice refuses to sit still, thank Dylan for proving the answer is still blowing in the wind. Dylan's timeless vault hit a new high in 2020 when he sold his entire catalog of over 600 songs to Universal Music Publishing Group for an estimated $300 million, the richest publishing deal ever, ensuring his riddles keep generating revenue through streams, ads, and films. But his real alchemy, turning lyrics into communal property. Adele's soul-stirring "Make You Feel My Love" launched her to stardom. Guns N' Roses' blistering "Knockin' on Heaven's Door" stormed stadiums. Jimi Hendrix's psychedelic "All Along the Watchtower" redefined rock fire. With over 6,000 covers from the Byrds to modern icons, Dylan didn't just write hits, he gifted blueprints for endless reinvention. So next time you hear a lyric that won't let go, salute the eternal wanderer. Hit like if Dylan ever changed your mind, subscribe for more Livewire legends, and tell me below, which mask is your favorite?